If you are talking Tinder, don't you mean unmatch? Liking on Tinder does not necessarily mean they want an IRL meeting. Some people swipe right with very few criteria, and then save their matches for editing later. It just means you made it to round 1, but not to round 2, so you will be unmatched as part of this person's strategy. Swipe now, unmatch later. It's not personal because they don't even know you. But the online thing has given people access to a staggering number of possible matches and you can't keep up. Look at it like you are walking around downtown in a big city. You see people everywhere, so many people you can't begin to process. In the space of a minute or two you spot a match, but the huge numbers make it highly unlikely you will get together because other people keep appearing in your line of sight and blocking your view and you can't keep up, so you have to let go of some of the matches because a new person with possibilities has just walked into your field of vision. Constant changes, constant mixing and matching means you have to let some go to keep your sanity. It's difficult to grasp this feature of online dating, not just Tinder, because you are dealing with a gazillion people and the odds against a one-to-one with any of them are practically non-existent. It's not the old-fashioned method of dating. 1. Meet someone. 2. Have an affair or relationship or FWB or any long-term involvement. 3. Either break up, or allow the relationship to grow stronger. 4. If you broke up, wait until the next candidate appears. This could take months or years. Dating offline is linear, as in steps 1 to 4. Dating online is exponential and each person may be juggling multiple matches, not just you, at one time. It can be crazy making because it leads to a lot of dropped matches and ghosting while you try and get things sorted out. The unmatched thing doesn't really mean anything, because of sheer numbers of possible matches in the dating pool.